हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा वीडियो ऑटिज्म को समझने के लिए है। आज का हमारा वीडियो दोनों ही लैंग्वेजेस दैट इज हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश दोनों में पोस्ट होगा सो दैट हमारे व्यूवर्स एंड लिसनर्स मैक्सिमम नॉलेज को एक्वायर कर सकें। जैसा कि दोस्तों हमने आपको बताया कि हमारा आज का सेशन ऑटिज्म के ऊपर होगा, तो आज हम जानेंगे कि ऑटिस्टिक बच्चे और उनकी ज़रूरतें किस तरीके से डिफरेंट हैं बाकी बच्चों के कंपैरिजन में। ये वीडियो यूजफुल रहेगा पेरेंट्स के लिए और ऐसे लोगों के लिए जो कि ऑटिस्टिक बच्चों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड ऑटिज्म. For that, we need to have a look on the facts of autism. As per the world's population, we are able to see 1% of the population is autistic. So early signs of autism can be delayed in understanding or poor response to stimulus or understanding the instructions, social withdrawals, lines up toys, no eye contact, and many more. For that, we also need to understand that ASD is a neurological condition that affects the way a person experiences and interacts with the world. Autism spectrum disorder affects individual in different ways and can range from very mild to severe. Autism is also considered to be more likely to have to boys than girls. Autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder and we need to understand it is not a disease कि अगर हम इसको दवाई खाकर सही करना चाहें तो वो नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि यह एक बीमारी नहीं है, बट इट इज़ अ न्यूरो डेवलपमेंटल कंडीशन और डिसऑर्डर. इट इज़ डेवलपमेंटल डिसऑर्डर and it has affected about 1 in 68 children in United States. We also need to understand there isn't a cure, but early intervention and early identification can really help the child to raise his performance graph. This is how we are able to see the different patterns of human brain of a child. With the help of the combination of colors, we can say that the processing of information in the brain is different from others for an autistic child. Here are few triggers to understand for children with autism. They more likely to be too fast, too high, too close, too hectic, too loud, too unfamiliar, too loose, too tight, and many more. For that, we need to understand signs and symptoms of autism spectrum disorders. So the sign and symptoms could be inappropriate playing with toys, hyperactivity, poor speech, over or under sensitive to sound, difficulty dealing with changes to their routine, and many more. So my dear parents, if you observe the coming signs and symptoms in your child, then it is the time to seek help from professionals. If your child is lacking to maintain eye contact, if the child rejects social touches, if your child is involved in repetition of words and phrases, along with underdeveloped sense of danger and reduced sensitivity to pain.